What's up, people? Harley here. So I thought I'd record a session of Bowling Crew on, well, I guess this isn't a Facebook game. This is just another free app to download from the Google Play Store. But yeah, I'm playing for 200K. So we'll see if I can. Last round I lost. I lost by like 2 points. So we'll see if I can win this round. They always make the bowling alleys like super interesting. Like you can see the pattern of the pins. See how well I do here. Spare it up. This game is really generous when it comes to giving out like free stuff and bonuses and free balls and upgrades. Yeah, see, it's tricky the way the pins are set up. Makes it really challenging. Okay. Strike. Yes. Puts me ahead. Well, he got a strike too. No, not that time though. Oh, I didn't strike at that time. Crap. Strike it, come on. Yes! I win. Nice. That moves me up to 20th. But yeah, this is another game that's free to download from the App Store. It's super fun. Gives you a lot of bonuses. You can customize your balls and stuff. You get power-ups and Yeah, see, like you can win customized balls. And there's different balls that can do different things, and there's power balls, and then there's precise balls that are more accurate. Crescent. I go first. Okay. Let's try this. This is always fun, these kind of trick shot matches. Oh, just missed it. So close. Oh, missed all the pins entirely. There you go. I'm still in the lead. Strike. Nice. It's really cool the effects you can give the balls when you customize them. Double. I'm way ahead now. Ah, missed. I think I won though. Unless they get like 2 strikes in a row or something. They got some really cool balls in their arsenal though. Where are they at? 24. Yeah, I don't see them beating me. I think I won this round. Yeah. I won every frame. That's what that means with the crowns. It's just like every frame, I beat them in every frame. It's a really fun game though. If you haven't played it yet, you should definitely check it out. It's free in the App Store. It's called Bowling Crew. But like always, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Hit that bell notification. And yeah, if you check out this game, I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later.